guys, welcome back to my channel. Video I'm gonna be showing you how to make banana bread. This video you will need 4 overripe banana, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So the first thing you want to do is put your bananas in a container and mash them. That's the consistency that you want. So next step, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter. Eggs. You add your 2 eggs, then you go ahead and use your mixer and mix it thoroughly. Cups of flour, but you're gonna add it in small increments, not all at once. And while you're doing this, make sure to set your oven to 350. And with this step, you don't want to mix anymore, you're gonna fold. I'm going to add the rest of my flour. To that, you add your milk, vanilla, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, your nutmeg. You fold. And this is the consistency that you want to see. Don't over mix, just right. So now that you're done mixing all your ingredients together, you're gonna get your container, pour it in, and then put it in the oven. To the container, you're gonna use butter to line the outside so it doesn't stick. Now that it's all greased, you're going to add your mixture to your container. Place in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for exactly an hour. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. I've taken it out of the oven and I placed it down to cool for about 30 minutes to an hour. So now we're gonna plate and show you guys the finished product. There you have it guys, my very own banana bread. Thanks for watching, see you next week.